This is a continuation of 6.1. We have two examples to do. These are relatively longer examples, as you can see. So the first one, example 7, says we're going to verify cosine x times cotangent x plus, and recall whenever we have a plus or a minus, it makes a situation with common denominators of sine x equals cosecant x. So we need to convert all of this into sine and cosine, then we are going to see what we need to do about common denominators and work from there. So cos x means cos x over 1 times cotangent is cos over sine plus sine x is sine x over 1. So we do cosine times cosine, so we get cosine squared x. 1 times sine is sine x. Plus, now we need to get this so it has the matching denominator. So if we force this through and have a sine x matching, the new sine times the original sine is sine squared x. So when we go to put these together, we get cosine squared x plus sine squared x, that's our top, all over sine x. Now recall, the most important Pythagorean identity off of the bag of tricks, extremely important, is cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. So this whole top goes to 1. The bottom is still sine x, but you need to convert 1 over sine x using the bag of tricks to cosecant x equals cosecant x. Check, it is proved. Example number 8, verify. We have sine x over 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x over sine x equals 2 cosecant x. So what we need to do is realize that these denominators are in no way related to each other at all. So when we have that situation in fractions, we have to take both parts and just put them right next to each other. So this is 1 plus cos x and this is sine x on the first fraction. Plus, this is 1 plus cos x and sine x on the denominator of the second fraction. So we have to see what's new. So my original here was 1 plus cos x, and it's going to 1 plus cos x sine x. So the new piece here is sine joining the prior sine, which turns into sine squared. Over here, we went from sine x to sine x and 1 plus cos x. So the new piece is 1 plus cos x. Notice it is in parentheses. So this 1 plus cos x has to be the new piece joining the original 1 plus cos x, which also has to be in parentheses. Two parts goes into parentheses. Next line, we have to combine them together. So this is my common denominator, 1 plus cos and then times sine. So here is my common denominator put together. Sine squared comes down exactly as it is. Now this is complicated, but it is FOIL. So we're going to do complicated FOIL here. 1 times 1 is 1 plus a cos x plus a cos x is 2 cos x plus cosine squared x. Now notice my green bar that is combining sine squared plus cosine squared turns into 1. I had a 1 and I had a 2 cos x all over 1 plus cos times sine. 1 plus 1 turns to 2 plus 2 cos x. 1 plus cos over sine still remains as we are moving all the way down the problem. This now has a GCF of 2. So I'm going to pull out 2, which is parentheses 1 plus cos x, which is awesome because you will see I have crossed off. The 1 plus cos x's go away. So we bring down a 2 times 1 over sine x. But we know from the bag of tricks that 1 over sine x is cosecant, bringing down the 2, so it equals 2 cosecant x. That is all I'm going to do right now. We're going to upload this video for you, and then we will come back and do the final lesson of the semester.